Well, good morning from, forgot where we were. Where the Peterbilt kind of decked out. Stretched. Stretch, and we got a beautiful sunset. We can't see with the truck there, but anyways, we're gonna go up the road, get some fuel, and make our way to Gaylord. 9 hours and 42 minutes of time today, so let's get this going. And I want the bus to move back, so should have been gone an hour ago, but we're not ready for bed yet. Just don't want to get up. Two different stories. Still sleeping back there. Anyways, let's get going. See what today brings us. Seem to keep forgetting you people this morning. But we got all our fuel. Get out of this joke of a place. Now we're gonna backwoods truck over to Gaylord. Pretty much gonna be on the back roads all day. I don't know where I'm gonna try and make it. I don't want to sign into this stupid Wi-Fi here. We'll take 19 all the way to Gaylord. Swap out our trailers, pretty much your half-hour break, because when we do that, then we'll have exactly about 8 hours left of the day anyways. I'll put us in North Dakota somewhere, and then to get up early and get a marching on. Marching on somewhere. I might just do something out of the ordinary. Figure something out. Should bet we have 500 miles in today. Something like that. Get out of here with all this traffic. Alright, we'll see you in Gaylord if I don't forget. We're rolling into Gaylord. Grab our load. Heck out of here. I got a dog. This load will have to wait because it's right over 40 grand. That this load picked up like yesterday morning. My. Shame on me. Shame on me. Well, we gotta get the trailer washed out first, which there's nobody in the wash bay. Oops, can't find it, grind it, I guess, eh? Cat out here. Need bathroom? Be a great time. Guess she's still sleeping. Tire Street, huh? Don't need GPS anymore. Bounce. guess. I can do this one-handed. This is my cameraman back there, still in bed. I already had it unlocked. I know I can do this one-handed. Get my gloves on. Actually, I can put gun right here. Ain't hard. Really a new case for that camera too. I don't care what anybody says. Always unhook them first. Drop your landing gear, then pull your fifth wheel. Reason to unhook your airlines, you make sure your brakes are set first. We don't have the landing gear like the old school drivers used to have, where they had wheels on them and roll out from underneath you. And yeah, I usually go all the way to the ground. Back up a little bit. Just got that one on the other side. Grab your fifth wheel puller out. Like, did that right-handed too. And then make sure you drop your airbags when you pull out just a hair. Video and getting a large car, but he said, you know, hey, 8.3 miles per gallon. I don't think a large car could beat that. Oh, this truck's spec'd right for fuel mileage, so. Wall. Alright, we're out here, we're hooked up to our other trailer. I'm trying to do fast right now. Right, pick up 212. Out in South Dakota, we'll head north to 12 and go across. Go until we run out of time, I guess. An idea where we're gonna stop. Oh man, there's no bathroom. If I do stop there. Well, we'll figure it out. Figure it out. Do another half-hour break on mine, maybe 600 miles today, but I don't know.
cameras focusing on me today. Hi.
We're joining in with her conversation on chatting, video chatting.
You can't hear it because I can only hear it. Snapchat. No!
I can't hear what?
No.
You want to see a neat trick, everybody?
What?
You want to see a neat trick, everybody? I can.
Yeah, it's called turning my data off.
You want to see a neat trick? Where's that app at? Life of a vlogger.
The life of a vlogger, and I'm pretty sure the camera can't even focus on your phone, but whatever. My dad
I can see it.
Off. Just letting you know.
See
if
what?
I disconnect, it's my data.
See, I can do a neat trick. I can log in.
That's if my dad turns it back on.
She didn't ask, did she?
No, I didn't. But I'm not the one that started the call. It was Jack that started the freaking.
See where all restriction is? I could just tell her mom, you know, and then she'd get chewed out by mom. So we'll just sit here and watch her conversation since I forgot to roll in and 3-minute clip rolling to where we parked.
Oh, you forgot to do that?
Yeah, I did. I've been forgetting camera all day. So Happy Pappy wants a video.
I am so happy I have no Xbox Live.
Yeah, you do. It's on the app on your phone.
Right. Huh?
It's on an app on your phone.
What?
Xbox.
No, I mean, I'm happy I'm not even playing it where it needs internet because they're talking about Fortnite.
Fortnite, God. Hear that all over
really
freaking YouTube. Yep, there's no internet here.
What? There's like a lot of people talking at once and I can't understand.
What I'm talking about?
Oh, like, hey, you guys are getting on camera.
Meet YouTube.
My dad is, not me. I got a penny that's sticking to my finger.
This is probably the most entertaining,
He can't hear you.
entertaining stuff on YouTube on my channel today.
Guys, earbuds. No one can hear you except me.
Now we can hear you.
Still, he does that. Sure. Hold on, let me. Yeah, here. Shout out your freaking.
Better yell.
Yeah, you might want to yell.
Isn't that Devin?
Okay. Yeah, that's Devin. He
didn't
joined.
ask, so now I can shut it off.
He joined the call. It was that person that started it.
I can shut it off now.
No. Why is?
I don't even want to be here.
Then leave. Oh, I just like. What is that face? Okay.
Anyways, we're getting out of
I'm
here.
putting my earbuds back in.
Supposed to be spending time with Dad once. Stop. She just doesn't obey the rules.
Well, but that's boring.
Yeah, welcome to my world. Huh? Someone's got to pay the bills, right?
What?
And I'm not the one that got in trouble either.
Whoops. That's, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm not the one that got in trouble either.
No. I'm staring exactly at you, Devin. I am. Shut up, you two!
We thought this was the best punishment for you.
It's technically not a
So you're bored because of your own doing, right?
It's not technically a punishment for you letting me bring an Xbox along and my phone.
I know, but you ain't getting to go nowhere, huh?
No. Actually, yes, because
You're bored because of your own actions, right?
Yeah, but I get to sleep.
Yeah, well, that's a good thing.
Yeah, it's always super hot because of what I'm wearing. Yeah.
Well, put a short sleeve shirt on. I don't know what to tell you.
I'm not gonna say a word about that. But these people said.
You're here because of your own action. I wasn't even going to make you go on the truck this year.
Huh?
I wasn't even going to make you go on the truck this year. So you got in trouble and ended up on the truck, right?
Yeah, I know who got me in trouble too.
Yeah, but you know the rules, so you should respect the rules, right?
You should just put a list on the fridge and give it to me so I can hang it up in my room.
You shouldn't have to do nothing. You should know the rules. You're told to do something.
I can't remember stuff!
Only had a couple good rules for you to remember.
Why am I still in this conversation? What is that?
Just wait. Oh, did you tell Devin Uncle Donnie's coming to visit you?
What?
Uncle Donnie's coming to visit him.
Oh yeah, Uncle Donnie's coming to visit you, Devin.
I'd be running if I was him.
Yeah, I would be running. Not because of the tickles. I just mean running in general. He does scare me a little. Both.
And then we got another surprise. We're not going to tell him yet about the other one.
Yeah, we have another surprise for you. And, yeah.
Anyways, tell everybody goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, we got to go make that video clip.
What? No.
Yeah. I found one of the videos that had you in it.
You shared it to Devin, didn't you?
Yeah. Hi, everybody.
I'm not.
Giggle, giggle. Come on, do it right now. We'll do it right now.
Oh.
Do you need a refresher on how it was done?
No, I remember that.
It was cute.
I don't like it. That's the point. I didn't like the bit.
It was cheaply done, but cute. Alright, we'll see you later. Sabrina still can't follow the rules.
You're editing a video!
I'm not editing a video today. I'm just unloading cameras. I'm not editing nothing today.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have the Xbox controller?
What?
So I can play Minecraft?
No, because you're in trouble.
Okay.
I shouldn't even let you brought the Xbox. You should have just took your phone away, put you on the truck, take the Xbox away. Oh wait, I bought this Xbox. It came out of my money.
No, you didn't buy it. Mom actually traded my Xbox 360 in.
And still had to spend money out of my pocket to get it. Right?
Love you too, Devin.
I love you too, Devin. She don't love her dad anymore.
I love you too!
No, you're not treating me the same anymore, not like last year. I'm like a little fly on the wall.
Can I have the TV on, please?
Do it yourself. What do you think I am? Your servant?
No.
That was the most entertainment on my channel all day. Except yesterday was entertaining. We backed up 2 miles.
I'm dying.
I'm gonna transfer that video to my phone and upload it. I'm tired because I sleep all day and I'm bored. Because I get myself in trouble, so I got grounded on the truck. And then I gotta go to my sister's.
My sister's actually pretty awesome.
Yeah, but remember, I can still control your phone.
Yeah, I know.
Or I could just flat take it away before you go.
What?
Your phone.
My phone?
Yeah. I paid for this too.
I know that. I wanted to say something and I kind of just like lost it.
Anyways, y'all be safe. We'll see you tomorrow. God bless you. Good night. Bye.
Bye.